Hey, what's up, YouTube? So we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna talk about these 3 products that sell great doing fundraisers or just all year round. No matter what type of program or event that you got going on, these 3 products, they're not the only ones, but they're 3 of the best ones that's gonna line you up for success. So the first type of product is a no-brainer. It's obvious, you probably already know it. It's personalized items. Now, for me, for these fundraisers, I typically just do personalized ornaments during Christmas time, but you can do a personalized ornament no matter what business you have. So for instance, you can make a personalized shirt, a personalized hat, a personalized tote bag, socks, shoes, slippers. You can do everything. You can do sunglasses, tumblers, and all types of things like that. And the reason why this works, there's an emotional appeal when people think of things that are personalized. People love things with names or dates on them. So for instance, if it's a birth date, a wedding date, an anniversary, a graduation date, it's meaningful. It's connecting to emotional. So the other thing would be the names. And of course, they love their loved ones. They love their families, their friends, and things like that. And it makes it personal. So, people there could be 100 white Yeti cups, but there could be one that says Jacob on it. And then it just makes it mean more. Even better yet, a personalized one with a name on it, but then a quote that says, hey, the #1 grandma ever or something. I'm telling you, those type of things, amazing. And then really quick, you can do schools and churches right off the bat. And the reason why people love those, also another reason, is because it's a high perceived value at a very fair cost. So, say you have a ornament or a cup and the price is $20 or $30, but it's personalized with a date on it and a quote and a name. All of that stuff. Well, they can't just go to Walmart and get that, but for $10 more than what they can get at Walmart, they can come to me or come to you and get a personalized one with meaning. Now, number 2, the category is functional items. So a couple examples will be like a cutting board or a tote bag. And then you could even put tumbler in there too. A lot of these can be interchangeable, but it's a functional item. So it's something that can be used day to day, every day. And then you could even put pins in that category. So if you sell pins, if you're able to get your hand on some type of cool notepad or journal, and you can put your brand on it, but even more so, you can personalize it and put a date on it and put the name and a quote or something that's personalized. It's personalized and functional. That's 2 of the 3 right there. If you can do both, then you're gonna see that product soar. Practicality really drives sales, because if there's 2 products, and I like doing these comparisons, but say there's 2 products. You have this product here, it's $20. This one's $20 too. This one has no use. Like they're probably going to use it one time and then set it on the shelf and forget about it. But this one here, it's like a journal. They're going to use it every single day. Say it's a year-long journal and you're supposed to journal in it every day. Well, they're probably going to be more likely to use this one. It's practical. And then they're going to feel like they got more value for this thing. So they're going to have less buyer's remorse. Okay, the third product type is seasonal products. Now, as you already know, the biggest seller all year long is Q4, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and then the mega one is Christmas. That's why I love doing the Christmas fundraisers. Now, I do fundraisers all throughout the year for all these different organizations, businesses, and churches, but the biggest one is the school one at the end of the year. If you can line up 10 of those, well, you have to build up to it. I didn't just do this overnight, but if you can finally get to 10, I'm telling you, you'll see numbers that you wouldn't even believe. But the thing is, when you get really good at it, and then you're able to do this consistently, and then you make all these systems, you're able to do it pretty easily. Then you're able to hire help and get people to help you collect things, assemble things, sort things, everything. So let's not dive into that right now. But number 3, seasonal. And it's because people love decorating their houses. They love decorating their cars. They love decorating themselves. They love wearing holiday earrings. They love putting that family ornament up on the tree that says the name where it's a cookie board and it has all the grandchildren's name or all their children's names. Like, people just love that stuff and they pay a lot of money for that stuff. So one thing I want to point out is the limited time appeal increases the urgency. All right. So people know, like, hey, this only happens one time per year. We didn't get ours last year. I seen Timmy and Jessica's. Theirs looked amazing. They told all their friends and family. They posted it on Facebook. They got all these likes, all this and all that. So they had to wait a whole year, and now it's that time again. So they're going to message me and they're going to get theirs this year. It's that urgency, and they know they got to get it now because they're going to have to wait until 2026 if not. And then, of course, we already know in Christmas time, everyone's shopping. So everything is in high demand. So there's only a limited number of people in your area who have one of these lasers, whatever type of laser it is that you have, or if you have a Cricut machine, or if you crochet or you knit or you do quilting or whatever it is, it's a limited number of people who do what you do. That's first off. Second thing is this. Now we have all these people who like what you do. Like, there's a large market out there for what you do. You just have to find them and do the marketing and get in there and do it. That increase in sales is going to be there naturally during the holidays. And then we know that it's very easy to market these things as a gift for a family or a friend during the holidays. So when, after Thanksgiving, when Black Friday happens and then Cyber Monday, you can do your deals too on Facebook at the same time. People are spending money. They're looking for gifts for family and friends, and just naturally, they're already looking for it. So if you present a good offer, it's a good product, high quality product, and it's meaningful, functional, seasonal, and it's personalized, you're going to sell so much. Okay, so these 3 product types are a great start, but in my course, I dive even deeper. Right now, I have the beta version going now. I have about 5 people who are going to be in that beta version. We're going to work the kinks out, test it. We're going to do some live training, some stuff going back and forth, some live calls and things like that. So then here soon, we're going to have that live launch. The course in its full capacity is going to be launched. It's going to be available to everybody. So anyways, if you're interested in that, go ahead and comment below because it's going to be available to you here very soon. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you had a great holiday. Make this new year count. Bye.